Hey guys, we're here at Utah Motorsports Campus for a snowy, rainy drift day. It's the last 2 days of Drift Week 7, and we drove 6.5 hours from Vegas yesterday, and now we're in the snow in Salt Lake City today. Had some good laps, felt like I was linking it consistently through most of the turns after turn 1. I don't really feel like I have much front end grip. It feels like sometimes I think the tires are pointing this way and they're not quite pointing that way, or they're pointing a little bit more than that way. They're scrubbing. It's coming across the transition, and I thought the tires would turn this way. I don't know, maybe they were straight and they were just scrubbing with the drift, because as soon as the car got straight, it just kept going straight and it went off the track. So the snowbank kind of pushed the bumper up and the headlight wasn't fitting. The bumper was up here. The grill got broken in Victoria and only had one bolt holding it on, and now that bolt is also broken, so I either got to drill and zip tie it on or just leave it off. Then I had to clear out all the snow that was under the car, jammed up with the suspension. Back out? I don't know. At this point, I'm more concerned about doing less work and making it home, because I'm a tired boy at this point. I'd like to drive a bit more, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
Cam, what are you doing?
Oh, getting ready to go out for some more laps. I'm waiting on this legendary drifter right here, man.
I don't know if I'm going out.
Oh, don't say that.
I've made it this far, you know?
It's fun. I'm just trying to be careful. You still gotta make it home, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Say whatever you want now.
I'm going to do a bolt check before we have to drive 16 hours home. This would be the first one I've done on the trip, because I'm pretty lazy. But
say that again.
This is why you need a less ridiculous camera, so you can just always record. It's always on the right setting. You know?
No.
No.
That's not how cameras work.
Yeah, I mean, that's how getting it done works.
Usually the people listen to the photographer, not the other way around.
Oh, okay.
You know, usually the director tells the talent what to do.
It feels like this is the best place to do the bolt check. We are covered, we are lit. The ground is wet, but it's nice and smooth. I've never ever been at any racetrack that had a facility anywhere close to this nice or well set up. Yeah, it's really, really impressive here at Utah Motorsports Complex.
Kevin, what'd you find under there?
So far, nothing. Which is what you want to find. So bushings arrived in Cali.
Oh, good.
Yeah, Tuesday at 4 p.m.
Wow.
So whoever's staying at that Airbnb gets some bushings.
Yeah, they're by the garbage can. If you're in Victorville and you need SXE7 bushings, go look by the garbage cans. Steering rack, I was able to get maybe like, I don't know, 20 to 40 degrees out of 2 of the bolts. But the bushings are totally like, oh, sorry. Oh my God, yeah! The bushings are like totally blown all out. So that's sort of not surprising that there's a little bit of room there for a squish. But yeah, I got them back on. Everything was good. The knuckle bolts are good. The jam nuts on the front upper were good. The tension rod bolts are good. The front lower control arm bolts are good. Everything was good.
Good.
We're good.
So all the serial 9 parts are good.
Yeah, I honestly, I started thinking that the other day, but I didn't want to jinx it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're not home yet. But yeah.
Still got to drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can do like a wrap up where we're like at a brewery.
Ooh, that's fun. Let's do that.
Yeah.
Cheers. Come on, let's go. Get up.
Alright, so this is
This is how we end the Drift Week.
this is
video.
Ryan filming Kevin. This is not Kevin filming Ryan. This is part of the next Serial 9 video.
Yeah, probably.
Okay. No political statements, please.
I love dogs.
Kevin, you just finished Drift Week 7. How do you feel?
He's on the floor.
I just finished
He's on the floor.
drinking Drift Week 7.